Oh. Where'd you go? Oh, there you are. Hi. This one is always like now running out here to see me every time. They're 25 days old. The little babies are growing up. Here they all come. Oh, hi. They're coming to see me. Oh. What are you doing? You hanging back? Hi, baby. You want to be like mommy? You want to eat the food too? Are you showing interest in food yet? What? What is it? Hi. Hi, baby. This is the one that I've been calling Muffin. Because Muffin is just so sweet. Yes, you are, aren't you? You're just so sweet. What are you guys doing? Are you attacking each other? What? What is it, little baby? I get you. What are you doing? What are you doing? Here we go. The first kitten to actually try a piece of food on their own is, I swear, every time the Siamese. Every single time. Aw, Muffin, you just follow mommy all around all the time. You poor little thing. Yeah, guys, hi. What? I know. I know you want over here. Let me put you over here. You're so cute. I love you. Hi, babies. Hi, babies. Oh, I get you. Oh, I'm going to get your little belly. Oh, you're so cute. You're just so cute. Are you sniffing my foot? Does that smell good? Hi, baby. Hi. What are you doing? What? What is it, cutie? Why are you biting me? Are you giving me little love bites? Bonk. Aww. doing? You really went up here, don't you? Where are you going? The babies are 4 weeks old today. Yeah, you guys are getting so big. This one just always has to climb on me. Always. Are you licking the ground? Let's not lick the ground. That's gross. Meep. Hey, I see you over there. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'll get you. And get your mama. Hi, baby. Oh, trying out some food? What are you doing? Do you want up here? Come here. Come on. Come on, let go. Let go. There you go. Now you're on my lap. Now what are you gonna do? Now what? Now what? Now what, you little cutie? Coming up here? You're so cute. I love you. I see you. Hi, baby. Cherokee, just letting your baby crawl all over you. Careful. I don't need you taking a tumble. Oh, really? You're gonna climb up my leg? You went up, baby? I literally just came out here and this is what's happening. He's trying to climb up my leg. He's meowing and meowing and wants me. It's so weird. Here we go, baby. You want to sit on my lap? Here you go. See? Now you have me. Aw. What is it, Mama? Hi, babies. Okay, here's the baby that's constantly, I'm sorry that I look like crap. The baby that's constantly crying at me. You just want up again, don't you? That's all you care about. Up, up, up. Goodness. Here we go. There. You happy? How's that? Aw, baby, you're so cute. I get your belly. Oh, I get your belly. You're so cute. You're too cute. Oh my god. Oh my god. You're so cute. You're so cute. Let me get you. Oh my god, you're adorable. You're too cute. Oh my god, I love you. What are you doing? You're just chilling on my leg? That's all you care about, huh? You just like being on my lap. Do I smell like a dog? Yeah, I'm a dog. Look at that face. I get you. I get you. Get you. Yeah, let's get this bell. Look at that. It's a bell. Whoop. Oh, you're just being playful, huh? You're so playful. You're just so playful. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Oh. Where are you going? See, technically they can literally get out of this, but they see it as like a wall, a structure that they can't pass. So currently they're young enough that this works. And they don't know any different. They just stay in this area. Before long though, they're gonna be running around this whole damn garage and making a mess. I'm not looking forward to it. So this is the one that's obsessed with me all the time, and yeah, he's chowing. I say he because I just call them all he because I don't know what they are. But yeah, he's chowing down like crazy on this food. He loves it. Yes, you love it, don't you? That's so yummy. Mama. Yeah, hi. Is that yummy? You're so cute. Hi. Hi, baby. Okay, so I've got everyone's names. I don't remember if I mentioned that in the last video, that I finally thought of names for everybody. I went with the Game of Thrones theme because I always go with the theme. What is that? You nut. But everyone meet Renly. This Siamese is Renly from Game of Thrones. Loved him. Love him as an actor. You're crazy right now. Which one are you? So this little muffin here that I call Muffin, this is Khaleesi. I'm pretty sure she's a girl. Even though I was just saying boy, I just checked. And she looks like she could be a girl. Girls are hard to tell. They're hard to tell because if it's a boy and the balls are dropped, then it's obvious. But when they're a girl, it's a little harder. But I think she's a girl. So this is Khaleesi, everybody. This is my little buddy. I love her. She's my baby. The other black one over here playing with the white one. Come here. Let me see your face. Oh, hi. This is Sam. Samwell Tarly. That's Sam. Even though you're acting like a nut, you're very afraid. You don't like to be held. So yeah, you're Sam. And then the black and white one over here. Hi, baby. That is Jorah. Jorah was one of our favorite characters ever. Love him. Now, y'all are crazy right now. Is this crazy time? Yeah, crazy time? What? You went up? Here's my lap. Are you eating the paper? Are you serious, you crazy? I get your belly. Oh, I get you, though. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. You're so cute. You're so cute. Look at you. Oh, my God. You're adorable. You're too cute. Hey, Mama. You ready? Yeah, did you have a nice little break? A nice little break from the babies? Alrighty. Mama just came back in from a break. It was supposed to rain all day, but it didn't. We got some sunshine today, so she went outside and enjoyed it. What is it? What's the matter? Khaleesi? Hi, Khaleesi. Hi, baby. There's nothing there. What, Mama? Hi, Cherokee. Yes, it's a good girl. It's a good girl. Hey, you are in your mom's butthole right now. That is not where you eat. What the heck? Hi, Jorah. Renly. Are you climbing on me again? Come here, you. Say hi to everybody. Jorah, do you want up here too? Hi, baby. Come here. Oh my God, you're such a chunk. You're so chunky. Hi, babies. What do you think of that? What do you think? You're such a floof. A chunky floof. You're so cute. Yes, you're just so cute. What? Do you want up here now? Oh. Do you want up here now, Sam? It's okay. Hey, look. Now you're up here. See? Now you're both up here. Look. Look at this. Get out of your mom's butt. Oh my God, you're so cute. Hi, babies. Hi, Jorah. Hi. What's the matter? Come here. Always crying for me. Hi, Khaleesi. Hi, Khaleesi. Hi, baby. Hi, Renly. Come on, Sam. You can do it. Nope. Don't fall. Don't fall. Khaleesi, don't jump. Renly. Oh, bless you. Sam. What is it? Hi, babies. Look who's 5 weeks old today. Are you 5 weeks old today? Yeah, hi. Babies. Hi. What is it?